Hi, my name is Jenny Bursell, and I will be teaching first grade again this year at Lakeview Elementary. It'll be my 13th year at Lakeview and my 22nd year of teaching. I am so excited to get started teaching and learning with a new group of first graders. I am so looking forward to meeting you and seeing your cute smiling faces next week with the conferences, or what we're calling the meet and greet. And we can have a little time to discuss what the learning will look like this year and what's expected from you and your student. This year in first grade, we're going to work as a team. So you might see me, Miss Bursell, working with your student, or Miss Clark or Miss Pappen. So we're all first grade teachers, and we're all going to work together to make this a great year. Let's see, fun facts about me. I really love to be outside doing pretty much anything. I love to camp, I love to hike, I love to swim and paddle. Fun fact is this year I got to go paddle boarding, which is my new fun activity, and I got my husky dog to join me on the paddleboard. So that's kind of a fun adventure I had. Again, looking forward to seeing all of you and having a great year together.